We cover
Yathiraj,
that during that.
yeah. So if I may ask you, if you can solve, one objection right now, suppose if a person is cold calling, the prospect picks up the phone and the salesperson gives the normal pitch, 15-second pitch, and he says, no, I'm not interested right now. So how should one handle it, if I may ask you?
Okay, sure. See, first of all, you have to be sure that you are talking to the right person. That is, they definitely need your services. And if they say that I'm not interested, that's okay. We can handle that. But if
Okay,
you're talking to somebody who doesn't even need your service, if they're not interested, then you have to just buy it.
right. So assuming that, we have done our research
Yeah,
properly.
the right thing. Yeah. So
Yeah.
then you say, I understand what you're saying, Mr. Anuj. In fact,
Yeah.
that is exactly what most of the people say when I talk to them.
Mm-hmm.
However, this is what I understand your pain point is,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm sure you're interested in the solution.
Okay. So we are communicating the customer's pain point to him upfront.
Correct. We have done some research, right? We know which pain point we are going to solve.
Right.
For example, one of my mentee, okay, with an organization, I don't want to name the organization.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that job is to reach out to people and share with them that their advertising they can make their advertising budget go farther.
Okay. Okay.
But when she reaches out to those people, they say the same thing. Oh, we don't need that. Or then she talks about, I understand that this, and would you be interested in this?
Mm-hmm.
See, because most of the salespeople, what they do is, for example, I'm okay. Let me put it this way. Let us say for a minute that I am calling from Yathiraj Training, which is my company's name, Yathiraj Training,
Okay.
and you are the sales manager of a MNC.
Okay.
Okay, you've got about 20 or 30 salespeople rather than 2 or 3 salespeople.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm calling you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's a cold call. Okay, and normally I avoid cold calling. I always try to make it a warm call where I'll get your reference from somebody.
Okay.
If I can that is great. If I can't, that's fine. Okay, so right now I'm just making a cold call. I say tring tring, and you pick up the phone. Hello, am I speaking to Mr. Anuj?
Yeah, speaking.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mr. Anuj. My name is Yathiraj Agarwal from Yathiraj Training,
Okay.
and I want to talk to you about sales training for your people.
Okay. What do you want to talk about?
Good. So I want to come and talk about sales training. Okay, this is one approach, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just what is the chance of you giving me an appointment? Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
No, hold on. Now again, I'm calling. Train. Hello, is it Mr. Anuj?
Speaking.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mr. Anuj. My name is Yathiraj Agarwal from Yathiraj Training.
Yeah.
And I realize that you are the sales manager of XYZ company.
Yeah.
And
Absolutely.
you have 30 people working for you, correct?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So I'd like to come and talk to you how we can increase the productivity of those people. Can we meet tomorrow or would you prefer day after?
How do you help? I mean, it's not clear to me. You increase the productivity, but how?
I'm glad you asked.
Yeah.
I just need about 15 to 20 minutes of your time because right
Okay.
now, unscheduled card, so you may be busy in something else. So if you can give me about if you can meet for about 15, 20 minutes, I'll tell you exactly how we can help.
Okay. Okay. I don't have a problem. What's your name again?
My name is Yathiraj.
Yeah,
Yathiraj Agarwal.
Yathiraj, I don't have a problem. First, let me see what your company is and where you're calling from. Can you send me some
Absolutely.
information?
Sorry?
Can you send me some information so that I can see what company you're calling from?
I would love to, Mr. Anuj, but there are a lot of things I need to show you. So I think, just 15, 20 minutes for increasing the productivity of your people may be a worthwhile investment. What do you think?
It is a worthwhile investment, but I don't know where you got my number from. But anyways.
Yeah, I got it from LinkedIn or whatever.
Oh,
Doesn't matter. No, what
okay.
I'm saying is, see, one is I want to talk to you about sales training, and one is I want to talk to you about increasing the productivity.
Productivity. Absolutely. It's a
out of the two, which
yeah.
has a better chance of you giving me an appointment?
The second one, of course, the second one.
Second one, exactly. But
Right.
most of the salespeople, which one do they use?
The first one, it's just a monotonous script, and yeah,
Exactly. Exactly.
right,
Okay. The first one is all about me. The second one is all about you.
correct, correct,
Your pain.
correct.
So very few sales manager they will say I am not interested.
Yeah, they are of course interested in improving the productivity of the team.
Correct. But most of the sales manager they are not interested in the sales training.
Really good, really good, really good pitch. Yeah,
Huh? Am I making sense?
absolutely, absolutely, Yathiraj.
Right.
Sense, and this is what many people need to know in the sales profession. These are some minor things that will make a huge difference.
Yes, absolutely right. Minor tweaks which can make a huge difference.
Right,
This just this one approach, I mean, just this one point about approach can help you to double your sales because you'll double your appointments.
right, right. If
If
I
you're getting 1 out of 5 appointments, you'll get 2 out of 5.
Right, right. If I may ask you one more question, Yatiraj, another challenge that I see, salespeople, especially the inside salespeople who do cold calling and fix up appointments, these folks, our colleagues, what they see is, especially if they're calling in the US market or Europe market, the call goes straight away to the voicemail. And the number of connects where even they can pitch the way you pitched me is bare minimum. You call 100 people, one might pick up the phone. So, or
Very
the list is very small, they have very limited people to talk to. The company is taking a very focused approach. So they are again frustrated. My list is very small. I'm hitting the voicemails. What can I do? Or my list is big, but I'm making a lot of calls and it's just not clicking. What is your advice, to our colleagues there?
okay.